Captain America. Steve Rogers was a 90-pound weakling at the start of WW2, but that didn't stop him from attempting to enlist. He was given a chance after multiple attempts, but only through a special program aimed at developing a super soldier capable of going up against the worst the Third Reich had to offer. After the transformation was complete, Rogers was enhanced in every possible way, with peak human strength, speed, and stamina. He was also trained in combat and military tactics, which made him the greatest fighter in the US arsenal. Captain America was lost during WW2 and returned in modern times to become a leader of the Avengers. He went up against Loki and his alien army, Ultron and Thanos. He went so far as to fight Thanos on his own, and even after getting knocked down, he refused to give up. Fortunately, he was backed up by an army of allies from across space and time. They all rallied behind Captain America as he took the fight to Thanos once more with the rallying cry, "Avengers Assemble."
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Captain Marvel.
Captain Marvel.
Ancient One.
Ancient One. Hulk. The Hulk is practically rage incarnate, and while he's incredibly strong under normal circumstances, he gets stronger the angrier he gets. He's able to leap great distances, he can tear apart buildings and giant monsters, and he can recover from pretty much any injury, though it's rare for him to be injured. Hulk has fought and defeated Thor on several occasions, and he will jump into a fight whenever he sees a threat. He was more than willing to go after Surtur in Thor, Ragnarok, and there's a good chance he would have knocked that giant crown right off his head. Hulk was the only one of the Avengers who could undo Thanos' snap and survive, though it did wither his arm in the process. This suggests that he is at least as powerful as Thanos, which is really saying something.
Doctor Strange.
Doctor Strange.
Scarlet Witch.
Scarlet Witch.
Thor.
Thor.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.